The advanced PEM technology is applied to pure hydrogen engine cleaning machine, which generates the high-purity hydrogen by electrolyzing the pure water. The embedded control system, color LCD screen, and human-computer interaction interface will bring you simple and convenient operation. Main reason for the formation of carbon deposits: not fully burning, fuel remains in the injectors, spark plugs and other components, and slowly forms carbon deposits. Carbon deposits can cause the starting components to work improperly, difficulty starting, and reduced power. Hydrogen cleaning is a new clean, safe and convenient cleaning method. Working principle: hydrogen is directly introduced into the running car engine combustion chamber at normal temperature and pressure. Hydrogen is converted into hydrogen ions under specific conditions and burns with carbon deposits in the combustion chamber to produce carbon dioxide and water, thereby effectively removing the carbon deposits to achieve the purpose of engine cleaning. Step 1. Insert hydrogen output pipe into intake manifold of the engine. Connect detection wires with car battery, red wire connecting with positive, black wire connecting with negative. Step 2. Turn on the machine. Status on screen will be disconnected. A few seconds later, status on screen will be off. Step 3. Start the engine. After few seconds, status on screen will be start. Step 4. Select proper cleaning time according to engine size and driving kilometers.